Welcome to Fireside Chat with Entrepreneurs. I'm your host, Dr. Divya Verma. Today I am chatting with Mr. Jitender Singh Rautela, who is founder of Dhanbarse Investments. He graduated from USMS GGSIPU in MBA Financial Markets in 2014-16 batch and started his investment consultancy in 2017. He's successfully running his consultancy business as a wealth advisor and has large number of satisfied clients. In this highly skilled profession, he believes understanding investor psychology is extremely important to deliver best wealth advice service. So we formally welcome you, Mr. Jitender, for coming back to the campus once again and sharing your experiences with us. Starting the discussion with you, what was your motivation to start investment consultancy?
When I started in around 2011 or 12, when I was in college, I have BTech as my main course. At that time, I don't have any knowledge for that finance background. So after that thinking and spent around 1 to 2 years in my BTech, I thought that this is I am not meant for that BTech. So finally I choose my path and start searching in my finance field. So at that time I started my finance work parallelly with my BTech. So I start my Demat account work. I start my Demat account also, and I saw that in northern side the Demat value is not that expanded as compared to south side. So I started collaborated with companies from south and start Demat accounts opening in northern side. So mainly in Delhi, I took franchisee from many companies and start my Demat account business. Later I see that I did have very good growth, but it took very good amount of knowledge for that work. You just not open a Demat account and then work like this. You have to be means you have that knowledge that if your client asks something, that you have to give him a that precise answer, because it's matter of money. So if we will tell them anything wrong, then they will make mistake. So slowly and steadily I am start learning that, and with that I start with some other products also, like investment. I have Demat accounts, insurance, NCD, NPS coming later stage, but I will slowly adding these products, so that sometimes customer not need Demat account or he needs some other product. So according to that we will distribute our product, and so like this we can.
So investments consultancy is highly skilled profession where success of any business depends on networking and client satisfaction. What challenges you were facing in dealing with your clients, and how did you manage to expand your business?
At earlier stage, when I was very young, at that time when we go to any client, they thinking that he is very small, around 20-21, how we handle our money. So it's hard to give them a belief that yes, we can do it. So slowly and steadily it's work. That after that they saw our work, that some of our clients getting profits in 2 months, 3 months in stock markets, and in mutual funds also they saw that clients getting profits. So they slowly become getting trust on me. People think that the stock market is mainly gambling, those who don't know, and if we talk about anything to clients, when now scenario is changed due to that these online things, people are very aware as compared to earlier. But when we talk in early around 5 to 6 years ago also, at that time also, if we talk about 35 to 40 years of age people, they are saying that दिस इज अ गैम्बलिंग, ये तो जुआ है, इसमें पैसा डूब जाता है, मैंने भी एक बार लगाए थे, डूब गए. सो दे डोंट हैव दैट नॉलेज, एंड विद वेरी less amount of knowledge.
What entrepreneurial traits you think are more relevant in investment consultancy business?
Main it depends on person to person actually. Generally, I have very work very patiently and calmness. I have, because when you talk to client, you need to be a good listener, and you have to listen them calmly, because you have to invest their money, and the more you listen to them, the more things you know about them. In initial stage, we have to be a risk taker, because this is a business, any business. When you start any business, you have risk of losing money and your time. And the second thing, maybe you choose a job, and if you choose a job, then you may become a stable income. So these are kind of risks. Another thing is self-confidence. Whenever you start any business, not only this business, you need to be self-confident, and you have to be, whatever decision you take to it, then you have to be on it. It's like that, you have to be optimistic, because in this type of work, when market are down, you are going to client for any new business. They are saying that अभी तो मार्केट डाउन है, पैसा नहीं है. लाइक लास्ट ईयर कोविड हुआ, तो कहने लगे अभी तो मार्केट डाउन है, पैसा नहीं है, मंदी चल रही है, नहीं होगा, तब मना करते हैं. जब मार्केट बहुत ऊपर होता है कि मार्केट आर वेरी हाई, तो अभी तो मार्केट बहुत ऊपर है, यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करना तो बेकार है, तो अभी नहीं होगा, अभी मार्केट थोड़ा नीचे है. तो ऐसे ये सुनने को मिलता रहता है और नहीं होता, लेकिन धीरे आप बढ़ाइए.
So, how important is understanding investor psychology and investor biases? And what biases you have come across while dealing with investors in the market?
Well, investor psychology is very important actually. It is the main thing in this business, because there are different people. In a family also there are, if we have two brothers, both have different psychology. Someone is very risk aversive, someone is very risk taker. So depend on client to client, we have to judge their capability of taking risk, or how we can provide them their solutions according to their needs. So there are some biases actually clients have. So I will describe it with example, like loss aversion. So थोड़ा आपको बिटकॉइन का आपने देखा होगा, तो एकदम से किसी कॉइन को राइज कर देते हैं, तो सेम वही चीज़ें इसमें की थी. आपकी कोई ऐसी न्यूज़, जो बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं, जो बल्क में पैसा डालते हैं, वो एक्चुअली मार्केट में चलाते हैं. सही बताऊं, वो क्या करते हैं, बल्क में पैसा आएगा, जब मार्केट डाउन होता है तो वो डालते हैं. उसके बाद जब ऊपर जाता है तो पहले अच्छी न्यूज़ देकर उसे बढ़ाते हैं. जब वो थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, उसके बाद उसको ऐसे मार्केट में न्यूज़ लाएंगे कि लड़ाई होगी, चाइना के बीच में लड़ाई होगी, पाकिस्तान के बीच में, अब इंडिया पाकिस्तान की लड़ाई हो जाएगी, मार्केट नीचे आ जाएगा. जैसे मार्केट नीचे आएगा, वो सारी सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हो जाती है. लास्ट आप 2-3 ईयर से देखेंगे, इंडिया चाइना की लड़ाई का बहुत चल रहा है. वो पता है किसी को इतना इजीली लड़ाई हो ही नहीं सकती. ज़्यादा कुछ होता है यूएस और कोरिया की लड़ाई का दिखा देते हैं. वो लड़ाई इतनी इजीली हो ही नहीं सकती, लेकिन वो इसलिए दिखाते हैं कि बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स का कंट्रोल बना रहे. तो ये स्ट्रेटेजीज होती हैं, और जो इन चीज़ों से हमें बाहर निकाला दोबारा.
So very briefly, if you have to give some message to our students who are listening to us right now, that how if they have to start their investment consultancy, some small tips. What should they do?
Actually, this is a very interesting field, and if you want to learn any new thing on daily basis, I say, then you must join it, because it don't have that boring work daily like computer work or anything. You have to gain knowledge on daily basis and on everything. Like in Indian market, what happening, in global market, what happening, what PM saying of India, what PM saying of US. You have to keep up to date. Sometimes your client also message you saying that this will happen. So you have to be specifically, yes, I have that news, not that अरे ये भी हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो आपको वो चीज़ पता होनी चाहिए. एंड मेन थिंग इज you have to be आपका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए इस फील्ड में। आप ये नहीं कि कर लिया चलो अट्रैक्टिव है पैसा आ रहा है, पैसा एक टाइम के बाद आपको आ तो रहा होगा, लेकिन आपका इंटरेस्ट रहना चाहिए। इंटरेस्टिंग फील्ड है लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में काफ़ी स्ट्रगल है, और अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो बहुत अच्छा है। एंड अनदर थिंग इज यहाँ पे आपको जो आपके क्लाइंट्स हैं उनकी मनी को देखना, आपकी खुद की मनी नहीं है, आपके क्लाइंट्स की मनी है, उसको आपको ऐसे टैकल करना है कि उनके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, क्योंकि देयर हार्ड मनी, दे हैव सेविंग्स फ्रॉम, some people have saving from 30 years, 20 years, and some save money for their children education, for homes. So हमें ऐसे देना है कि उनकी मनी को ऐसे केयर करनी है, मतलब कि उनको लॉस ना हो, ट्राई कि उनको मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट हम पहुंचा सकें। म्यूचुअल फंड्स की तरह आपका रिटर्न गारंटीड नहीं है, और कभी ऊपर जाएगा कभी नीचे जाएगा, कभी मतलब आपको लगेगा कि बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, कभी लगेगा बिल्कुल नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप उसमें टाइम देंगे लाइक जस्ट लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड्स, आपका रिटर्न अच्छा मिलेगा, वैसे ही आपका कैरियर भी बहुत अच्छा आगे सक्सेस में जाएगा।
Thank you, Jitendra. I think what I have understood is passion, risk-taking, patience are your main traits, and understanding the client is very important, and being ethical with the clients is all the more important in present. Saini sir, if you have some words to say before we conclude.
I think Jitender has basically briefed about a low investment option for the students to start some venture of their own. But he's also given you certain inputs in terms of what one has to really have to develop trust and be ethical. I think these are the two important points on which is important to look at. And slowly as you gain, and third is of course continuous learning, because whatever products you are going to offer to your customers, you should have complete understanding of the product which you are offering, so that you can understand the needs and accordingly pitch the right product to them. Because if you are able to match up that requirement, I think your success is guaranteed, I'm sure about. I think these are the three important factors which are crucial to the success in this kind of a venture which is called investment consultants. I think some of us are already into this,